Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most capable dual sport machines on the market, the 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R. Built for riders who demand versatility, this bike bridges the gap between off-road adventure and on-road practicality. The 690 Enduro R has long been a favorite among enthusiasts, and for 2026, KTM has refined it even further. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this model is still one of the most exciting choices for adventure riders. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R keeps its aggressive, rally-inspired look but with updated graphics and sharper lines that emphasize its ready-to-race DNA. The slim bodywork and lightweight plastics not only enhance its rugged image, but also improve rider ergonomics. A new LED headlight setup offers better visibility while maintaining the bike's modern, aggressive stance. The seat has been slightly reworked for long-distance comfort without sacrificing mobility in technical terrain. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 690 Enduro R lies KTM's proven 693 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering impressive torque and smooth power delivery. It's paired with a refined 6-speed gearbox and a quick shifter for seamless transitions on both road and trail. KTM's ride-by-wire system, multiple ride modes, and traction control allow riders to adapt to changing conditions instantly. The updated suspension features fully adjustable XPLOR forks and shock, offering excellent balance between off-road agility and highway stability. Safety and technology. The 2026 model comes equipped with advanced rider aids, including cornering ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, and off-road ABS settings for more freedom on dirt. A compact TFT display provides clear readouts and integrates smartphone connectivity for navigation and calls. KTM has also fine-tuned its electronics suite, making it more intuitive and user-friendly while keeping the focus on performance. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R continues to be one of the most versatile and capable dual-sport motorcycles available today. With its aggressive styling, powerful engine, advanced electronics, and go-anywhere suspension, it's built for riders who want one bike that truly does it all. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the machines that shape the riding world.